𝗕𝗲𝘂𝘁. Assalamu Alaikum, girls. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, and your skin looks tired, dull, dry. And remember this beautiful hadith. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Allah is beautiful and loves beauty. Sahih Muslim. So taking care of yourself, staying clean, smelling good, looking fresh, these things are not wrong. So today, I'll share 6 DIY instant glow remedies you can try at home without spending money. And trust me, some of these work better than expensive products. Number 1. Ice Water Glow. This remedy is so simple, but the results are amazing. Take a bowl, add cold water and a few ice cubes, then dip your face for a few seconds, or gently rub ice wrapped in cloth on your skin. Instantly, your face starts looking fresh, awake, tighter, and brighter. It reduces puffiness, especially if you wake up with a swollen face or tired eyes. This is why many models and actresses use ice before makeup. And the best part? It costs literally nothing. But don't overdo it. Just 1 or 2 minutes is enough. Your skin will look fresh and alive instantly. Number 2. Honey and Milk Mask. If your skin feels dry, rough, or lifeless, this remedy is gold. Mix 1 spoon of milk with a little honey, apply it on your face, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Honey helps moisturize the skin naturally, while milk makes the skin soft and glowing. After washing it off, your face feels smooth like baby skin. And honestly, natural glow always looks better than heavy makeup. Number 3. The Potato Brightening Trick. This one sounds funny, but it actually works. Take a potato slice and gently rub it on your face, especially around dark spots, tanning, or under eyes. Potato contains natural enzymes that help brighten the skin slowly. It also feels very cooling and calming. Many people spend thousands on brightening serums, while this simple kitchen remedy quietly does the job. But remember, consistency matters. Natural remedies take patience, but they're usually safer and gentler than harsh chemicals. Number 4. Rice Water Secret. Girls, this beauty secret has been used for years in Asian skincare. Whenever you wash rice, don't throw the water away. Store that rice water in a bowl, then apply it gently on your face using cotton, or simply rinse your face with it. Rice water can make the skin look fresh, smooth, and bright over time. It also gives a soft glow that looks natural and healthy. And honestly, glowing skin is not about becoming fair. It's about looking healthy, clean, and fresh. Never hate your natural skin tone. Allah created everyone beautifully in different shades. Number 5. Turmeric and Yogurt Glow Pack. This remedy is powerful before events, weddings, school functions, or Eid. Take a little yogurt, add a tiny pinch of turmeric, mix it well, and apply a thin layer on your face. After 10 minutes, wash it off gently. Your skin instantly looks cleaner, softer, and brighter. But please, don't add too much turmeric, otherwise your face may turn yellow for some time. And while doing all these remedies, don't forget something very important. No skincare works properly if your lifestyle is unhealthy. If you sleep late every night, drink less water, eat junk food daily, and stay stressed all the time, your skin will show it. Real glow comes from inside too. Number 6. The Sunnah Glow Habit. This is probably the most important one. Drink enough water, sleep on time, stay clean, make wudu properly, smile more, stress less, and keep your heart clean too. Because sometimes, the face becomes dull not because of skincare problems, but because of sadness, stress, overthinking, jealousy, or negativity. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Cleanliness is half of faith." Sahih Muslim. Look at the beauty of Islam. It teaches us hygiene, purity, self-care, and balance, long before modern beauty trends existed. And one more thing, girls. Please don't become obsessed with perfection. Social media filters have destroyed realistic beauty standards. Nobody wakes up looking perfect all the time. Your worth is not based on flawless skin. Take care of yourself because you respect yourself, not because you hate yourself. So try these remedies consistently for a few weeks. drink more water, eat healthier, pray your salah, and take care of your mind too. Because the most beautiful girls are not always the ones with perfect makeup. Sometimes, the most beautiful girls are the ones who look peaceful, clean, healthy, confident, and close to Allah. May Allah bless every girl watching this with confidence, peace, happiness, and healthy glowing skin. Ameen.